So here's my honey, removing the solar from the farm kasi magkakakuryente na. Look at there. Kubo there. Oh, that's a perfect place.
Camping place.
Middle. This CR pagagandahin nila. There's the CR. Mabuti naman na ka-encounter tayo ng sa bagay, hindi naman natin nabisita yung kay Paulo. No?
Wala naman nangyayari kay Paulo.
Kaya nga eh. Yun ang dream natin, may magpaganda. May magpaganda ng farm. There, that's their kubo. Ang sa atin naman is the cementado one. And there's our neighbor. Our neighbor over there.